I'm going to show you one quick tweak to get smaller file sizes. Why would you want a smaller file size? Well, a couple reasons. Number one, uploading, saving, downloading is just quicker, and it'll also take less space on your hard drive. So here's how to do it. I mentioned before how when I export my projects, I use automatic normal simply because it's high quality, it meets my needs, I don't really have to think about anything. I'm just using the default. However, if you look here down at the estimated file size, 84 megabytes, suppose you want to decrease the file size, maybe you're running out of hard drive space or you just want quicker uploads and downloads. If you go to from automatic and you change that to manual and you use web high, well, the encoding at web high is 3,000 kilobits per second, which is only half of what the automatic is. And as a result, if you look at the estimated file size, it got almost cut in half, 45 megabytes. Will you notice the difference? It depends. For a project like a typical ScreenFlow project like you've been watching in this whole course, you're not going to notice the difference. So if you just want to take the extra second to go manual, you'll save yourself some file size. If you're doing a high quality, high res video, maybe you're doing a 4K video and it's high resolution, yeah, you probably would want to go to the 6,000 kilobits per second. But most of the time you're not going to be able to see it. And that's how to quickly save some file size.